Hi, this is Dr. Casey, the longevity doctor. I am finally beginning to believe that we might have a spring this year. So what do we do in the springtime? We do spring cleaning. We clean out our cars, our refrigerator, our closets, our clutter. But do we clean out our bodies? I want to add some statistics here. Heart disease in this country is the leading cause of death. Hypertension affects half of the population. Statins, which are prescribed for high cholesterol, are the #1 most prescribed medication. And 86 cents of every dollar spent on medical care in this country goes to the symptom management of ailments that are reversible and preventable via lifestyle improvement. This is a country of abundance. More in every aspect of our lives. But when it comes to our health, we need less. We need less fat cells, less cholesterol, less plaque in the arteries, less calcium in our joints, less hard memories that are hurting us. Basically, we're healthier with less. And so detoxing has to be a key aspect of any health program. So if you're on medication or you have a chronic disease or you just don't want to get one, why don't you consider joining our fasting and detox group that is starting the end of the month? Get started on getting healthy and become more with less. Just say something in the comments if you want some more information. I'll be happy to talk to you.